Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. What are you doing? What are you doing in the kitchen? Plus bonus content. Let's. So be sure to stick around for the second part of this video for that bonus content. Okay, great. Let's start. What are you cooking? Cooking. 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 I'm cooking chicken. 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 What are you drinking? Drinking. 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 I'm drinking water. 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 What are you having? Having. 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 I'm having steak. 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 What are you baking? Baking. 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 I'm baking cookies. 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 What are you breaking? Breaking. 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 I'm breaking an egg. An egg. An egg. An egg. What are you washing? Washing. 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 I'm washing lettuce. 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 What are you tossing? Tossing. 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 I'm tossing a salad. A salad. A salad. A salad. What are you eating? Eating. 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 I'm eating rice. 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 What are you pouring? Pouring. 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 I'm pouring milk. 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 What are you stirring? Stirring, stirring, stirring. I'm stirring soup. Soup, soup, soup. Okay, extension. Let's. Let's wash the lettuce. Let's stir the soup. Let's eat rice. Let's pour milk. Let's bake cookies. Let's toss the salad. Let's have steak. Let's cook chicken. Let's crack an egg. Let's drink water. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all of my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And check that box to get my posts. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks a lot. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.